What up, YouTube? So check it out, y'all. We got this ice maker here, y'all. It's one of them Sonic ice makers. Really nice ice, really enjoyable. But, I went without cleaning it. These things really need maintenance, y'all. We've had it, I want to say, about 3 months. It worked wonderfully. We started seeing white calcium buildup. I tried running vinegar through it. It cleaned it out a little, but I was having problem at the pump. You can see here, y'all. You see all that built up in there, y'all? So I've been just kind of scraping at it, taking out what I can, just to get the pump running. I am going to get more like a special cleaners for these machines. I'm going to go ahead and order that today. But if I could get it running and start running vinegar through it again and get this pump running, we'll be getting somewhere. So I did take it apart, y'all. And I could show y'all here, my main problem was this hose that I already took this hose here. So this hose went here, y'all. And it was like really clogged up in here. So I've cleaned it out already. Make sure when you're taking these apart, you remember how to put them back together. It's pretty simple, but you don't want to confuse yourself. Take pictures or take a video if you need to. This isn't really a how-to, y'all. This is just a what to do. So if you feel like your machine's not working, you don't know what to do, open it up, y'all. Don't be scared. Get a little screwdriver, take your screws out, and you'll notice. So I'm gonna show y'all here my main problem here, y'all. Look. So right now I'm still in the way they made it. I can't really access it, so I'm gonna have to just figure out a way to access it because this black plastic's right here in the way. So I'm trying to figure out how to get this line out right now myself. But check it out, y'all. All of that is calcium buildup. So as long as I could get it cleaned out enough where the machine functions, I'll order those cleaners, drop it in there, run it, clean them, y'all. Recommended at least clean them once a month. I went 3 months, y'all, and this is I use the filter water, but that don't make no difference. The water's still hard water, so yeah, just give y'all one more little look, y'all. So that's what we're looking like. They get clogged up. So alrighty, man. Just try to get them fixed. Catch y'all later. Peace.